Victor today, and he found us on YouTube. He's made quite a drive out here to invest some time to get better. He's done some chiropractic before, he's done some physical therapy before, but none of it's helped. And I find his case interesting because this guy, you can look at him, look at this guy, look at how in shape this guy is. Okay, 153. People always say if you lose weight, you're going to feel better. If you're going to get in better shape, you're going to feel better. If you stretch, you're going to feel better. He's gone to PT, done core exercises. He's done stretching. He's been working out for 8 years, 5 to 6 days a week, he told me, consistently.
Yes.
So this guy's in shape. And so everything everybody thinks out there about getting in shape and stretching is wrong. It's not about that. It's about balance, and I like to prove these things on these videos so that I can show all of you where pain comes from. So Victor's going to tell us about his pain today and why he's here. So what's going on, Victor?
So I have low back pain. When I'm running, I have a pinched nerve. I wake up with neck problems and headaches, and I just feel unbalanced in my hips and my body in general overall.
Gotcha. Turn to the side, please, Victor, like this. Now stand right there. Just look straight at me. Now take a look at this guy. His posture. See how forward he is? I mean, he doesn't even realize how bad he is. He has a massive forward lean, which again at 26 is pretty crazy. You're 26 years old. And he also has this osteophyte growing off the top of his skull right here. And that osteophyte doesn't usually happen for somebody as his age. It usually happens about 55 to 65 years old, the size he has, which I'll show you guys in a second. Go ahead and turn this way. So you can see his posture is really rounded shoulders, and at his age, it's very advanced. He's been dealing with this a long time. So we're going to really help him out. Let me just go over a couple things with his symptoms that we talked about that he left out. Your left leg goes numb too?
Yes.
Gotcha. You have pain when you do squats.
Yeah, I do squats.
How much weight? How much squat weight are you squatting when you do?
About 165, 165 around there.
But what was this weight? 135?
135, yes, sir.
And 135 is when you do 135, your back hurts.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And then you self-adjust all the time also too.
I do.
What do you self-adjust? Mid-back, neck?
My mid-back. Yeah.
How many years have you been doing that?
Maybe like 5-6 years.
5-6 years.
Yeah.
So stop self-adjusting. Doesn't help. It's actually making him worse, which he doesn't know about. We'll explain to him later and all of you later. But self-adjusting, people always say that, oh, just self-adjust. It does not help. Okay. Let's see. Dizzy too, 2 to 3 times a week.
Yes.
Headaches also. Let's see. Oh, interesting thing. When he plays his video games on his phone, what happens?
My hands get numb and my legs get numb as well too.
Your legs get numb too.
Yeah.
So how long does that take?
Probably like 10 to 15 minutes into my game. So
10 to 15 minutes of playing a video game on a phone, and his arms and his leg goes numb. So again, that's just all it does is exacerbate his forward lean, exacerbates his imbalances, and so we're going to unwind that today and let him feel a miracle. Okay? So let's see how you're doing. Go and stand over here, please. Knees straight. Go on, bend over, touch your toes best you can. Good. Okay. Pretty good flexibility. Any pain in your back there?
No.
Good. Go and stand up. Go and go back like this. Pain there at all?
Yeah, a little bit.
Where? Right there in the back?
Yeah.
Look at this great flexibility. Go ahead and stand up. So he has really good flexibility. He still has some pain, and his left leg is all numb. Okay? So let's take a look at the floor with your neck. Any pain in your neck there?
No. It just feels a little bit like I feel lightheaded.
Lightheaded. He feels lightheaded. Go ahead and look at the ceiling. Pain or lightheaded or anything?
Not right now.
Okay, so we're going to get him adjusted and show you guys what's going on. So go ahead and lay on your back here, Victor.
Okay.
Good. Hands over your belly like this. Good. Interlace them like that. Good. So it's going to be really simple, Victor. Okay. Most important thing you do here is just relax the best you can, okay? Have you had your neck adjusted before by the chiropractors?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just going to feel in here. We're going to adjust this bone right in here. Nice and easy. No rush, okay? Good. Let's go. Good. Very nice. You okay, buddy?
Yeah.
Nervous? Painful? What's the reaction you have right
now?
A
Nervous right now.
A little nervous. I can see it. So come a little closer, guys. So you can see his eyes twitching. That's nerves. He's really nervous right now. That was a great adjustment. You did really good, okay?
Thank
One
you.
more and we're done, okay? Okay, bring it this side. You're doing good, Victor. Only one more time, okay? Good. Very good. Okay. Just relax right here. That's it. You did it. Okay? Good. You came a long ways with that adjustment, okay? That's going to help you a tremendous amount. Okay, you come back on that side. Okay, Victor, a couple important things when you get up, and you've seen this in the videos too, is no twisting or turning. The more you twist and turn, the more you try to feel how you are, the more you're going to undo my work, okay? That's because of muscle memory, and we'll talk about that again more in the future. So what I want you to do is just look straight ahead and just sit on the table when I help you up.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. That hurt when I pull on your neck? No. Okay. Come your hand. Go ahead and sit up. Throw your legs over the side and just sit and just look at the camera, please. Yeah, then throw your legs over the side this way. Okay. Now, you feel lightheaded at all?
Yeah, I feel very lightheaded.
Yeah. The reason for that is, again, we're affecting your neck, that base of your neck, the cerebellum, the brainstem, okay?
Okay.
And so what I've done effectively is I've influenced it to be better, okay? So that better is still opposite of what you normally feel. So you're feeling a little lightheaded.
Yeah.
So now to recalibrate your spine, you're going to walk. And that's what that's going to do is going to spread out that adjustment through your whole spine.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and walk to the front door, please. Shoulders down, let your arms hang, just walk to the front door. Okay. Still dizzy, aren't you? Look at
Yeah,
you.
I feel very dizzy.
Wow, crazy. Okay, go ahead and turn around, walk back to the door. You guys can see how much he's wobbling. His body is drastically out of balance, and so the adjustment has really affected him. Each lap you do, Victor, it will get better.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm starting to feel a little bit much more better.
yeah, it's good. Go flip around again.
Yeah, I'm gonna go from the front.
Yeah, yeah. At just about walking, you're starting to feel a little less lightheaded.
Yeah.
Good. Slow, deep breaths in and out your nose. Good. There you go. I can see your eyes are starting to clear up. Still got another lap to do. I can see it.
Okay.
Okay, keep your chin up. Don't look at the floor. Okay, when you get over here, we're going to stop you right here. We're going to see how you're doing, okay?
Okay. I feel better.
You feel better? Go ahead and stop right here. Now, do you feel anything else besides just better from not being lightheaded? Do you feel different sensation, lighter, any other sensations?
The way my body feels, it feels not the way I'm used to it. Like it feeling. It feels very like I feel very loose.
Gotcha.
Very like I feel like there's like my hands feel very tingly.
Good.
And my legs feel very tingly.
Good.
So.
Okay, do you feel a little taller, a little
I
lighter?
feel taller, yeah.
You should, because you're really slouching a lot before.
Okay.
Go ahead and touch your toes. We'll see what you're doing. Okay. Now, how does that feel?
Oh, that was much more easier.
Much more easier. And you didn't have a lot of pain before, but what makes it easier?
It just felt more fluid.
Good. Did I touch your back at all?
No, sir.
So it feels more fluid, though, right?
Yes.
Go ahead and go back like this.
No.
Now the pain you felt there before is what?
None. It's gone.
It's gone.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Now take your neck and go ahead and look at the floor, please. Okay. Now how's that lightheadedness you felt earlier?
Gone.
Gone. And any discomfort in your neck?
No.
Go ahead and look at the ceiling, please. Now you feel more range of motion. You feel a little,
yes, I do.
Yes, good. Go and look straight ahead. Anything else you want to let us know about that you feel different? Don't have to have a ton of things. I'm just kind of curious.
I do feel different. I still feel a little bit lightheaded.
Okay.
I feel very lightheaded actually, like when I'm standing just still.
Okay.
But I feel much more better.
Good.
I feel much
Thank you so much for the video.
Thank you, sir.
We're probably going to do a couple of other things to follow up on this and talk to you about more about chiropractic, but I'm glad you came in here and we're going to help you out a lot, okay?
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.